welcome back to Awesomeness TV. It's your girl Caliyah, and we are back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing the sneezing prank. Sorry about that. I'm going to be doing the sneezing prank, and I think this prank was pretty funny and it was pretty good. And I watched a few videos, so I'm going to be doing it on Caliyah. I hope I get a good reaction. Yeah, let's just start the video. Alright guys, I got the spray too. But anyways, we're going to wait till Caliyah come in. I'm going to ask her if she wants to play the game together. And hopefully she says yes. When she says it, I'm going to be like, spray it at her and then see her reaction. So let's go. Hey, Maria. Oh, hey. You want to play the game? Yeah, sure. What? Okay, so you're going to do the challenge. Whoever wins, sorry, my nose is messed up and sorry. Well, excuse you, jeez. I didn't know you were sick. No, I'm not sick. I'm not sick. It's just I've been sneezing. Wins a royal victory. They'll give it to the legendary pet. Alright, that's Are you playing with me? No, I'm actually, I've been sneezing all day, I promise. My room is so stuffy because I don't have my air conditioner in. Just turn it in. I'm just turning this off. Actually, don't though, so. That's makes me kind of stuffy. Okay, wait, I'm shooting. Hey! What happened? I'm kidding. Stop sneezing and sit down. Stop. Walking back and forth every second, just sneezing. Oh, Dad! Never mind. It didn't get stuck in for a second. I'm sorry about that. You're kidding! Why are you doing this? Your thing is actually smooth. So? Yeah, I might should be really stuffy. Should I go back downstairs, maybe? Yeah, I feel like you should go home. Or I should just go home. Isn't this not finished? Sorry. Alright. Stop, Malik. I'm not doing anything on purpose, though. I'm not playing. I told you that I'm backed up. Stop, because I'm not playing right now. Come on, dude. That's just not, time to be playing. Alright, I'm gonna leave. I see this dog bottle. No, guys, it was a little pill. No. I see this. Sweet, the bottle's not working. Where's the camera at now? It's right there. Where? Oh. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Bye. Bye. It's not the